It's a vegan dish today, tofu sweet and sour. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. Believe it or not, I've cooked this in less than 15 minutes. Yes, restaurant style sweet and sour tofu. Healthy and quick here in Channel 1. Good. Curious how to make it? This is the procedure. Watch and enjoy. This is an express dish. This is the only thing that we need to prepare. Just like in restaurants, the sauce has been previously prepared separately. Frying the tofu. We just have to cut the tofu into bite size. Well, serving size. Into slices just like this. And fry them. Tofu doesn't easily turn brown, so golden brown would be enough. It does not have to be crispy. Voila! This is our first batch. I'll be doing the next batch, but I won't be showing you the entire procedure. I just fried the tofu, so we are ready to prepare the sauce, which in fact I have previously prepared, and I just conserved it in the refrigerator. No, in the freezer. I have here frozen sauce and the previously stir-fried vegetable toppings, paprika and onion. If you are interested in the procedure, how to prepare this in advance, I put the link to the video in the description box as well as in the tab above. So let's just microwave this two at the same time. And while the sauce microwaves, I might as well show you the summary of the process. A glance of the ingredients for the sauce, but the complete list is in the description box. In addition to the three, the ginger, the onion and garlic, we need paprika, preferably in two colors, to serve as toppings. Cut them into squares and simply stir fry them, along with the onions cut in almost the same size as the paprika. This should be stir fried while still retaining their crunchiness. I set aside a portion for this tofu, and this is how I prepare the sauce. You can use same oil for stir frying. What I did here is just stir fry the onion, the garlic and the ginger all together. You may use fresh oil. Ideally, the three ingredients should be diced. And then I added the vinegar plus the ketchup. To get all the ketchup sauce here, I watered down the rest. And it doesn't harm to add some water into the sauce. You will need it anyway later. See, we got all the ketchup from the bowl. And the sugar. Generous amount. By the way, the list is in the description box, as I earlier mentioned. Now we add the pineapple bits. I also added the syrup, plus salt and ground pepper. Very easy, and just boil it until it thickens, and I'm adding here cornstarch dissolved in water. Now that looks like sweet and sour sauce. We are ready. That's how I prepare the sauce. The portion that I set aside for this is now warming up in the microwave. Let's now retrieve it and boil it and add it to the fried tofu. We'll just have to reboil it, adding some water to keep it from getting very dry. And the vegetables which we froze separately. Let's just mix the sauce, and voila, it should taste as if it was freshly cooked. That's the beauty, that's the advantage of freezing. We can keep it for months. So anytime we need a sauce, just do this. Express. Restaurants do this. Restaurants do this. Even in restaurants in Paris. Now we'll add the fried tofu. Some would just pour the sauce onto the tofu, but I prefer this to have it absorb some of the flavors of the sauce. Let's turn it off and have the tofu absorb the flavor. Look at that. It's time to plate and serve. Where's my plate? No, I need a pot holder. As I've told you, in less than 15 minutes. Not even long enough to film this video.
True. I like it.
Thank you for joining me here today on Channel 1 as we explore more alternative recipes, healthier recipes. And if you enjoyed this video and found its entertainment as well as its instructional value, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon so that you won't miss any uploads. See you in the next videos.